Taizhou Huangyan Jmt Mould Company Limited is located in Huangyan, Taizhou, Zhejiang Province, China. Founded in 2002 with more than 18 years mold making experience, covering an area of 23,000 square meters, GMT is an automotive mold manufacturing enterprise with high quality. GMT owns world's first-class mold processing equipment, 5-axis high-speed machining center, Type 1 high-speed milling machine center, high-precision double-head EDM, and other 50 CNC processing equipment. More than 10 injection molding machines, CMM material hardness detection, flaw detector and other equipment, strong processing capability, and quality control ability are the guarantee of mold processing precision, quality, and delivery. GMT has a professional team of design, project, marketing, mold processing, and QC departments. GMT is committed to providing customers with a one-stop solution including mold design, manufacturing, and injection. We deliver valuable molds to customers through high standard quality and short lead time. It receives praise from our customers. We are committed to help customers optimize the product structure, evaluate every detail of specific project, organize project meetings, and keep full communication with customers in the implementation process to complete the best mold product. GMT has continuously enhanced the level of technologies and professional service in automotive parts mold, SMC mold, etc., providing service to more than 30 countries and regions in the world. We can flexibly meet our customers' diversified demands with related products like bumpers mold, HVAC mold, fillet mold, water tank mold, door panel mold, etc. We have reached international quality standard IATF TSI 16949, ISO 9001 certification, etc. GMT is adherent to the concept of people-oriented, customer-oriented, keeps pace with the times and constant innovation, provides more professional services for our customers, and contributes to development of modern mold industry.